Today we will discuss about the arithmetic progression, class 10th mathematics, exercise 5.1, question number 1 and 2 we will discuss. Question number 1 is, let us read the question number 1. In which of the following situations does the list of numbers involved make a arithmetic progression and why? First is a taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So we have to form the progression, arithmetic progression. Let us start. Let the fare for first kilometer is equal to rupees 15 and additional kilometer is equal to rupees 8 per kilometer. Okay, so we'll form a arithmetic progression. First term will be 15. Then the fare for the 2 kilometers will be 15 plus 8 for first kilometer and for the next 1 kilometer. It will be 15 plus 2 into 8. This will be the third term. This will be second term. This will be first. And next it will be 15 plus 3 into 8. And so on. It is equal to 15. This is 23. This is 31. This is 39. So we see the difference between successive and previous is fixed. D is equal to 23 minus 15, which is equal to 8. We can calculate D from here. D is equal to 31 minus 23. It is equal to 8. Do you know how to calculate the D? From next term, we subtract the previous term from anywhere. In the given AP, we can check at any place difference between the next term and the previous term. So D is fixed. Therefore, 15, 23, 31 and 39 forms an AP. Second part is the amount of air present in a cylinder when vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at that time. Question is, there is a cylinder and every time the pump removes, in one stroke, pump removes 1/4 of the air which is there in the cylinder at any time. So let us start. Suppose the initial volume is V. So this will be the first term. Second term will be 1/4 less than this V minus 1/4 V. This is V. This is 4 LCM, 4V minus V, which is equal to V comma 3V over 4. Next would be 1/4 3V over 4 minus 1/4 of 3V by 4. This will be third term. This is the volume remained at the third stroke, and इसका from this 1/4 of this will be removed. Removed means minus. So it will be V 3/4 V minus. LCM is 16. 16 and 4 16. This is 4, this is 3, 12V minus 3V. This will be V 3/4V minus 9/16V. Or you can write V 3/4V minus 3/4 square V. These are the terms. Now let us check the difference over here. D is equal to 3/4V minus V. It is equal to 4. This is 3V minus 4V. It is equal to minus 1/4V. Let us calculate D from the next term. This minus this. So this is 3/4 square V minus 3/4V. This is 3/4 I can take out common. So this is 3/4 minus 1V. This is 3/4. This is 4. 3 minus 4V. This is equal to 3/4 into minus 1/4, which is equal to minus 3V over here. 3/16V. So this is different than this. So since D is not same, since D is not constant, therefore it is not an AP. So it has a little more calculation. You can simply need not to do these many calculations. Simply you can say, since the difference between this and this is not constant, therefore it is not a AP. Third part. Third part is the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by rupees 15 for each subsequent meter. So it is the same as this part 1. Let us do. Cost for first meter digging is equal to rupees 150. Cost for additional 1 kilometer digging is equal to rupees 50. So what will be the cost after 1 kilometer digging? What will be the cost after 2 kilometer of digging? What will be the cost after 3 kilometer of digging? And so on. This is how we'll form a series or a progression. First term will be 150. Second term will be 150 plus 50. Third will be 150 plus 2 into 50. And fourth term will be 150 plus 3 into 50, and so on. This is equal to 150. This is 200. This is 250. And this is 300, and so on. So this is the sequence. Since D is the same, D is equal to 200 minus 150 is equal to 50. D is equal to 250 minus 200, it is equal to 50. So D is constant. Therefore, given numbers forms an AP. Fourth part is the amount of money in the account every year. When rupees 10,000 is deposited at the compound interest at 8% per annum. We know the formula of finding compound interest. We can find out after starting amount 10,000. After 1 year it will be, we will use the formula. We know how to find the amount. So let us start. So first term will be 10,000. Second term will be 10,000 into 1 plus 8 over 100 to the power 1. This is amount. This is 10,000. So this is amount after the 1 year. And this in the second year you will get 10,000 into 1 plus 8 over 100 to the power 2 and so on. So the difference is not the same. Difference in D is not fixed. D is not constant. Therefore, it is not an AP. Now we will move on to the question number 2. Question 2 is, write the first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. So we will write the terms. A is given, D is given. First part is A is equal to 10, D is equal to 10. So first term will be 10, second term will be A plus D, 10 plus 10. Third term will be A plus 2 into 10, A plus 2D. And fourth term will be A plus 3 into 10, A plus 3D. We know the formula. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. From here you will get first term 10, second term, here n will become 2 minus 1. So it becomes A plus D. This becomes A plus D. This is A. This is A plus 2D from this formula. And A plus 3D. Fourth term 4 minus 1. It becomes 3D. So this is how you can write the sequence. 10, 20. This is 20 plus 10, 30. This is 30 plus 10, 40. So these are the 4 terms. Second part is A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to 0. So first term will be minus 2. Second A plus D, minus 2 plus D, 0. Third term minus 2 plus 2 into 0. And the fourth term will be minus 2 plus 3 into 0. Using the formula an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So when D is 0, so this part will become 0. It will remain minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. These are the 4 terms of an AP. This is AP. Here D is 0 because D is equal to 0. Now the third part is A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. So we'll use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So first term will be 4. Why it is 4 first term? Because first term N is 1. N minus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So D becomes 0. Therefore it remains only first term. Second will be N is 2. So 2 minus 1, 1 into D. That means A plus D. 4 plus minus 3. Next will be 4 plus, here it will, third term will be 3 minus 1 into minus 3. Next will be 4 plus 4 minus 1 into minus 3 and so on. So it is equal to 4, this is 1, this is 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 4, minus 2. Here it will be 3 into 3, minus 9 plus 4, it is minus 5. So these are the 4 terms. Fourth part is A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to half. This is a simple question. So we'll use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. We'll put the values of N. First term we'll write 1. For second term we'll write 2. For third term we'll write 3. For fourth term we'll write 4. So it will be, first term will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1. So first term will be minus 1. Minus 1. Second term will be minus 1 plus D. 2 minus 1, only 1. So D will put the value. Third will be minus 1 plus 3. So 3 minus 1, 2D. So 2 into 1 by 2. This is the third term. And fourth term will be minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. Because N is equal to 4. 4 minus 1, it is 3. Which is equal to minus 1. And minus 1 plus half is equal to minus half. And this cancel, this one, this is 0. This will be minus 1 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, 0. And LCM will be 2, minus 2 plus 3, it is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the 4 terms. Fifth part. Fifth part is A is equal to minus 1.25 and D is equal to minus 0.25. We want to write the term, so we'll use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A1 will be minus 1.25 plus 0 into minus 0.25. So this will become 0. A2 second term will be minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 1 into minus 0.25. Minus 1.25 plus 1 into minus 0.25. This is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.25, which is equal to minus 1.50. This is A2. A3 minus 1.25 plus 3 minus 1 into 1 by into 0.25. This is minus. Okay, so this is minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. This is minus 1.25 plus minus 0.50. It is equal to minus 1.75. A4 will be A plus 3D. It is minus 1.25 plus 3 into 0.25 minus. It is equal to minus 1.25 minus 0.75. It is equal to minus 2. So these are the four terms. First term is AP is equal to minus 1.25. A2 is equal to minus 1.50 and A3 is equal to minus 1.75 and fourth is minus 2. This is AP. So this is all about the question 1 and 2. In case you have any difficulty, please write a comment. I will explain it again. In case you like my video, please share it with your friends. Please like it and press the bell icon also. So that's all.